Hello student,
A
welcome
very
back to
warm welcome to
VEHS Sumati
VEHS Sumati
Academy.
Academy.
So
This
today
is your
we have
science
the
teacher.
science
So again we
period.
have a
So
science period,
today we have to
and in this
complete the
class we
question
have to
answers
complete
of
our
chapter
writing
3 which
work.
is
Means
given
today we
in
have
book
to write
A.
the question
So I
answer
will
of book
explain the
A in
question
our
answer.
notebook.
So according
That
to
means
this
we are
we have
learning the
to
chapter
write
3 before the
these
P1
question
we have
answer.
started the chapter 3. Now we have to write the question answer of this chapter. So for the chapter 3 we have the name of chapter 3 already we all know, that is fields to kitchen. Okay, means in this chapter we are learning how we get the things in kitchen from the fields. Means how we get the things, or how the consumer get the things which comes from the farmer. Okay, now the first question is, write any two differences between plowing by a tractor and oxen. Means in this chapter we have to write the difference between a machine and a human power, because tractor is a machine and oxen is only works because of the human power. So in this answer we have to write that plowing, we all know that plowing with a tractor or machine, first thing it will save our time, second it will make the human work easy because it will get the less energy and less time. Okay, whereas oxen will take the more energy and more time to complete that specific work, and plus machines are more faster than the animals. So these we have to make form a sentence, and we have to write the answer of this question. Second question we have, why do farmers use insecticides and pesticides? In the same question we have the next question, write one disadvantage of using insecticides and pesticides. Means in this we have to define, or we have to explain what is the need of insecticide and pesticides so that farmers use. So first thing, farmers use insecticides and pesticides on a crop to kill harmful insects and pests. We all know that in a field sometimes there are harmful insects and pests which is not good for the crop, and farmers is only growing his crop for selling in the market, for gaining the profits. To save his crop, farmer use insecticide and pesticides. So insecticide and pesticides, these are the chemicals to kill the insects and pests. Sometimes it is organic or sometimes they are the chemicals. Now what is the disadvantage? So obvious this has the disadvantage, because these chemicals, these pesticides, insecticides first mix up with the soil and it makes the soil polluted. Okay, so this is the answer of second question. Now the third is, write a short note on a plantation agriculture. Means in this chapter we have learned different types of agriculture. It is one of the type, that is plantation agriculture. So basically in this type of agriculture, a crop is cultivated, a single crop is cultivated on a large area, so that farmer will sell this crop in the market and gain a high profit. So that means farmers cultivate this type of crop for gaining profit or for survive. So this is called as plantation agriculture. Now last question today we have to write, that is, write two uses of sugarcane and cotton plants. So we all eat the sugarcane. We also know that the first thing, sugarcane is used for making sugar and jaggery, because in daily life we eat sugar and jaggery. So sugarcane, so these material, or we can say sugar and jaggery is made up of sugarcane, and is also, we also love to drink the sugarcane juice. So these are the uses of sugarcane. Now the cotton fibers, we all know that we wear the cotton cloth. So cotton fiber first used to make the cotton cloth, and second, oil is also extracted means to take out. So we also get the oil from the cotton seeds. Okay, so that means these are the four question answers which you have to write in very neat and good handwriting. Okay, I request, if you are able to write in cursive handwriting, please write these question answer in cursive handwriting. And anyhow, today after watching this video you have to submit these question answer in the student hub. Okay, till thank you, we will meet in the next live class.